Hi. I have a new GE dishwasher that emits a consistent high-pitch whine whenever the motor runs, starts just after filling with water and only stops when draining or drying. One tech looked at it and told me the motor was bad. But a GE repair tech looked at it and said it's a normal sound for these dishwashers and it's one of the quieter motors he's heard. He said he replaced one for another customer and the sound was actually worse. So he didn't want to fix it because a new motor could be louder and best not to mess with it. We purchased this dishwasher because they had it hooked up in the store to demonstrate how quiet it is, and it sold us on it. The demo model definitely did not make this sound. When I asked the GE tech about this, he suggested maybe they didn't have it fully hooked up or operational. We are so confused and don't know whether a repair would help or if it's really supposed to make this sound. Model is GE GDT 580 SMF5S. Help. Oh, this washer already has bad hinges on door preventing it from closing and sealing properly.
Without hearing the unit, I couldn't in number 39, tell you whether the noise is normal or not, but I will say that these units are very quiet, so if the noise is a loud whine which is constant when the circulation pump is running, I in number 39, just make them replace the part or return the dishwasher and get a new one. Any noise coming from this dishwasher should be fairly subtle, whether it in number 39, vibrating or whining or whatnot, so if you have a louder noise that seems out of place, something is wrong. Just request a different technician and make them replace the circulation pump or return the dishwasher and get a new one. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Thanks for the info. Follow-up question. As this unit is less than 30 days old, the appliance store has agreed to replace it for a new one or same make and model, or give store credit toward any other dishwasher of our choosing. My frustration is that we have only had Bosch dishwashers and loved them, super reliable, never a problem, so I'm worried this is a problem with GE brand issue. But we just purchased a GE profile fridge and slide in range in slate, which is a unique color, and really want them all to match aesthetically. Our options now are to replace with same make and model, get an upgraded GE still in slate, or go with a Bosch that doesn't match as nicely. In your experience repairing appliances, what has the repair/service pattern been in general for these newer GE dishwashers?
Well, I personally own Bosch for my dishwasher, so even if it doesn't in number 39, match exactly, that is definitely the option I would go with. Without a doubt it will work better and be more reliable than GE. GE tends to have more issues with their touchpads and control boards, but they dry dishes better than Bosch, so that would be it in number 39's only real advantage.
Thank you.
No problem, and I wish you only the best.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.